So today I'm going to be doing the carbon hood install. Now I do want to say that it does fit perfectly, but you have to adjust it. Key is adjusting. Now a lot of people say, oh well, I have a gap here, I have a gap there, that hood doesn't fit perfectly. When I first put it, it wasn't perfectly, so I wasn't perfectly fitted, so I was like, I wonder what it could be. But they're measured and they're made to fit. So one thing that you need to do is don't tighten the nuts until you adjust it. And let me show you what I mean by that. Give me one second. Okay, now alright, so, and it also has the rain guard, which is good. It rained yesterday and everything looks fine. Now you see these here, right? You're gonna keep them loose. Just simply put them there, right? Nice, and get a little squeeze. And when you do that, bring it down. You're gonna bring it down and you're gonna close it. Okay, now you see how there's no gaps. Fits perfect. That is because since it's loose, since everybody just simply tightens it, they can't adjust it anymore. So it's like, oh, it's we have a huge gap on this side and this side, blah blah blah. So leave it loose, and let's say you have a huge gap here, right? Just simply pull it, right? Pull it a little bit, adjust it to make it fit where you think it's good, and then simply have somebody help you open it again and tighten it up, and you should be good. All right, so adjustment is key. The hood fits perfectly with any car, and sorry, my car's dirty. You should be good, and then just unlock it, tighten it up. Now it's recommended to remove the struts because of how much pressure it makes. It's meant for a heavier hood. This hood is a lot lighter. So I forgot to record how to take them off, but it's very simple. You just you can use any flathead screwdriver. Just pull a little pin and it'll come right off. It's if you have any question, just comment below and then I'll make sure to respond to it and do another video on that. But it's very simple. All right, just don't tighten the bolts, adjust it, make it look nice and pretty. And also, if it's too far down, just unscrew these, right? Make them come out more down, because sometimes the hood's like all the way down. Just don't go all the way to the top with these. Don't screw them all the way, because then your hood will be all the way down. Just adjust it as you want. Just screw left will make it higher and right will make it lower. So, and that's pretty much it.